they love my non-veg recipes, so I have sort of bringing this new recipe. I've been using this. This is really yummy dish, and believe me, it's really tasty. So this is the Reshmi chicken. So let's start. I have taken 1 kg of chicken, and all the thing is you have to marinate. That's the most important thing. So let's marinate. I'll be using salt, more than half a spoon. At the end we will see what we have to do. Half a spoon of turmeric powder, spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1½ spoon of pepper, just 1/4 spoon of pepper, and then you have 1 bowl of curd, half a cup of cream into this. Cream into this. I'll have 1½ spoon of kasturi methi, and just mix it well with your hands. Most important is ginger garlic paste. I'm using 1½ spoons of ginger garlic paste. On the other hand, I've taken a pan. I'll be using little oil to it. Cumin seeds to it. 1 spoon will do. 1 spoon will do, and to this I'll be adding 4 onions, medium onions, cut long. To this I'll add a handful of cashews. So they are light brown in color. Now add this light brown onion. Now we'll just off the gas and cool it down and grind it. Now what we can do, since it's a Reshmi chicken, we'll add 1 spoon or 1½ spoon of ghee. You can use butter, or even you can use the regular oil too. Just to give the richness, I have been using this ghee. So now what we'll do, we'll add few cloves and cardamom to it. The long is getting flutter, you can just add this paste, onion and cashew paste to it. We'll cook it for 5 minutes, and then we shall add our chicken to it. Marinated chicken into basket. Simple. The steps are very, very simple. You can see it is leaving the pan like a ball. At this stage you can add this marination of chicken will go into this. So now you can just mix it well and cook it till the chicken is tender. Just see the color, so creamy. You can add water if necessary, because chicken will be leaving the water. I will not add the water right now. Okay. Just see the oil on the top. So that means the chicken is cooked, and now let us do the plating. Just see the yummy hot Reshmi chicken. It's really yummy. One must definitely try it. It is the best why don't 7-star when you can really make such yummy? Just follow my videos. My name is Rajni Sharma Madam, and I ensure you that these recipes are really totally yummy. Follow my each and every step. They are yummy. Just see the oil that have come out and see the color of the chicken. The most important thing. Now, whatever dish you serve, taste it, and then the last important thing is garnish your dish. That's the most important thing again that comes. Because people eat food first through their eyes and then through the taste buds. So, have a yummy and tasty Reshmi chicken. Follow me, share with your friends. Call your friends to your place. Make this recipe. They will just finish the dish in seconds. So, have a great time. See you. Bye.